Take command of the road in the 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.